Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering 5 lb waxy potatoes, 2 crisp apples, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup chopped celery. Peel or core apples depending on texture preference and chop into 1/2-inch pieces. Boil potatoes whole in salted water until tender, about 15-20 minutes, then cool and dice. Mix 1/2 cup mayonnaise with 1/4 cup chopped celery, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon salt to create a balanced, slightly tangy dressing ready for assembly. Once potatoes are boiled 15-20 minutes and cooled, dice them into 1-inch pieces to hold shape in the salad. Core and chop 2 apples into 1/2-inch pieces and toss immediately with a squeeze of lemon to prevent browning. Gently fold the potatoes and apples into the dressing, taking care not to mash the potatoes. Add 1/2 cup of dressing initially and adjust to taste. Stir in 2 tablespoons chopped parsley for freshness, then refrigerate the combined salad at least 1 hour to let flavors meld. Before serving, taste and adjust seasoning with freshly ground black pepper and up to 1 teaspoon additional salt if needed. If you prefer a tangier profile, stir in 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard and an extra tablespoon apple cider vinegar. For creamier texture, add a splash of milk or 1/4 cup more mayonnaise. Garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped parsley or chopped chives for color. Serve chilled on a platter or in bowls. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.